Catholic?
Did you not hear me talking about this?
No.
They wanted to get me rosary. But
I guess I
Catholic.
didn't put two and two together.
I said, because I'm a Catholic, they wanted to give me rosary, but they were like, we couldn't find one that was nice enough.
So hello.
They couldn't find one that was nice enough, so they got me this instead.
I didn't, I remember that part, but I don't know why I didn't put two and two together. It's because you're Catholic.
Yeah, so, yeah, they wouldn't let me bring that in. Just different stuff here and there. Little things. This one, I was like, y'all aren't taking these from me.
That's cool. It's cool that you wear it every day.
Especially the ring.
What's the time with the ring?
Maybe one day.
You're engaged.
Nope.
You are engaged. You're married. I don't know,
No, it's something that is very special and important to someone who's very special and important to me. It belonged to someone who gave it to that person. That person gave it to me. And I like it because on the inside it says, let me see if I can find it. Yeah, right there. So it says 14 karat, and then it says lovable.
Oh, are you lovable?
It's just a reminder that I am when I don't feel